Easy steps of transaction in case receipt does not print on Pine Labs PoS. Step 1. Press any button to go to User menu. Step 2. Select Run Application and press green button. Step 3. Press green button again. Step 4. Select Reprint and press green button. Step 5. Select Last Transaction and PoS will print the last transaction's charge slip. In case you want to print charge slip of any other transaction, select Any Transaction and press green button. Step 6. Enter batch ID mentioned on the charge slip. Step 7. Enter ROC or invoice number mentioned on the charge slip. Step 8. Charge slip gets printed. Please feel free to contact us. Helpline number 0120 4033 600. Email plutus.support@pinelabs.com.